Are you a beginner looking to make money online? Affiliate marketing is a great way to start. In this video, we will break down the basics of affiliate marketing and how you can get started. First, let's define what affiliate marketing is. It is a partnership between a company and an affiliate. As an affiliate, you promote the company's products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. One of the keys to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. Find something you are passionate about. Next, you need to find affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. Research different programs and compare their commission rates. Once you have chosen an affiliate program, you will receive a unique affiliate link. This link tracks your referrals and ensures you get credited for the sales. Now it's time to create content that promotes the product or service you are affiliated with. Provide value to your audience. You can create blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media content that showcases the benefits of the product or service. Make sure to include your affiliate link in the content so people can click through and make a purchase. Another important aspect of affiliate marketing is building an audience. Focus on growing your online presence. Engage with your audience through social media, respond to comments, and provide helpful information. As your audience grows, so does your potential for earning commissions. Remember, affiliate marketing takes time and effort to see results. Be patient and consistent in your efforts. Monitor your sales and conversion rates to see what is working and what needs improvement. Experiment with different strategies and track your progress. Always disclose your affiliate partnerships to maintain transparency with your audience. Now that you understand the basics of affiliate marketing, it's time to take action. Start researching and finding affiliate programs that align with your interests. Create valuable content and grow your audience. And most importantly, stay dedicated and committed to your affiliate marketing journey. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money online, but it requires time and effort. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't give up. With the right mindset and strategies, you can succeed in affiliate marketing as a beginner.